Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for subscribing guys, thank you so much. Here is your girl Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for following me. I can't thank you enough guys. Guys, today I'm here to show you how you can do this hair. This hairstyle is called kink bubbles. Do you know kink bubbles, or you don't know how they call this style? If you don't know how they call this style, it is called kink bubbles. Here I'm your girl. Tune, watch until the end. Guys, what you have to do is to first plan 3-3. Oba musobola okubuyita kanasatu w'enviirizo. Yeah, some of you can call it in that language, kanasatu, or you can call it 3-3. You first plan 3-3, the whole head. I think everyone knows how to print 3-3 in your own hair. You first print 3-3 on your own hair or on the client's hair, plain 3-3. Then guys, you have to use molding gel, or you can use any Vaseline you want, but me, I'm usually using molding gel. Yeah. Guys, after planting the whole head 3-3, now you have to get your needle. Then we are using Afro Kinky. What you have to do to make your Afro Kinky, then you get your needle. I think you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. Guys, I love you so much. Guys, continue following me. Continue subscribing to my channel, please. If you are new here, please just comment any video you want me to do for you. I'll do it, guys. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell. If you don't ring the bell, you won't see any notification from this channel. But if you ring the bell, you'll see every video I'm uploading from this channel. Thank you for loving new faces. Thank you so much. Let's continue watching. Yeah guys, after what you're going to do is to get small bread from the Afro Kinky. The small one, I think you are seeing what I'm doing. You get the small kinky, small piece of a kinky, then you start tying, making it around or tying it around. Yeah, don't tie it too tight so that it can't pain. Yeah, it can't pain the client, or the client can't get any pain. Yeah, and then after tying it, you get another one. You roll it, or you tie it. Yeah, you step a space. You tie like 2 to 3 times, then you tie. It's like you do it like 3 times. Yeah, you tie 3 times, then you get another one. Yeah, you continue doing it until the end. I think you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think you can see what I'm doing. I think the beginners, you can see what I'm doing. If you are a beginner from this channel, please subscribe. Don't just watch. First subscribe. Yeah, first subscribe, ring the bell. Now you can leave the comment and the like. Yeah, thank you guys. I think you see what I'm doing. Thank you for watching. Continue watching guys. Continue loving Nifa faces and hair. I love you too. I'm here guys to show you everything, every style you want to see. You just comment. I will see the comment and do the video. I promise. Even if I take long, don't worry, because sometimes I see the comments and I don't reply exactly on that time. But if I see the comment, I will first do the video for the reply, because I will not come here and talk just. So be patient. Be patient if you have never seen your video, but I'm seeing all the comments. Guys, continue commenting, continue liking, continue watching. Yeah, I'll do everything for you guys. Guys, I'm making long kinky, or I'm making long kink bubbles. So if you want to make it long, you see that one is short, you just get another kinky, then you add. Now I'm going to show you how you can add on to make a long bubbles kinky or kink bubbles, anything you want. If you don't know the style, the name of the style, you can call it kink bubbles. Yeah, kink bubbles. You can see the way I've added. You can see the way I've added the another kinky. Yeah, you add and you continue doing the way you was doing. I think you can see how long it is. Yeah, I think you can see how long it is. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Continue watching, baby. Continue watching, my beautifuls. Continue watching. You get the best from this channel. You get everything from this channel, Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. I love you too, guys. Thank you for supporting me through this channel. Thank you for being here on my channel. Please, if you are new here, subscribe. If you are new here, don't forget to ring the bell. Guys, I think you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Continue watching, continue subscribing to this channel, Nifa Faces and Hair. I will not disappoint you. See you next time. I love you guys. Bye bye.